Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys on how to make a caramel pudding. So let's get started. First of all, we need to heat and caramelize the sugar until it becomes brown like this. And then we put it into medium-sized bowl and cool it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. After that, we need to heat the milk and mix the whole milk with 3 eggs yolks, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, and whisk it until it blends perfectly. Make sure the caramel already become hard and pour the pudding mixture into the bowl. After that, we put the bowl in the tray and put some water to boil it in the oven. Last but not least, set the oven up to 115 degrees to bake the pudding in 20 minutes. Flip the bowl so the pudding falls with shiny caramel bottom facing upward like this. And you can just eat the pudding like that, or you can put some whipped cream as extra topping. That's all for me. Bye!